This is how to earn money online by watching videos. Let's face it, we all enjoy binge watching Netflix and YouTube videos for hours on end, just because we have nothing to do, right? Well, while we were wasting so much time on that, I recently discovered that you can make money by just watching videos online. For the majority of the time, you'd even get to choose what videos to watch. I know it's hard to believe, but check out how much money I've already received just by watching videos. So in today's video, I will show you 3 alleged websites, all of which will pay you real money by just watching videos, as what I did from the comfort of your own home as a complete beginner. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below, "I am from blank, aka your country." In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started with the very first website. So the first site on our list is grabpoints.com. And this is how the homepage would look like. Taking paid surveys, watching videos, completing offers and installing apps are just a few of the ways to make money on this website. But since watching videos is our main topic, that's what we'll be paying about. Grabpoints.com has a $5 payment threshold, which is a great starting point. Now, the first thing you need to do is sign up to this website. Once you are done signing up, this is what your brand new account should look like. The first thing you'll notice is a series of surveys that you must complete in order to earn money. You can see more ways to earn money by simply scrolling down. Earn points can be found on the left-hand side of the website, while home, surveys, watch and offers fall under this category. Now all you need to do is click on watch to begin earning. And that will then take you to this page where you can see how it all works. You'll see the exact instructions or offer details if you hover your mouse on these 2 options, then you can pick your favorite offer and begin watching. We will use Lootably for this video. After clicking Lootably, you'll be taken to this page where you'll find a list of all the videos you can watch, along with the points you'll gain from each. We will select and watch a random video as an example. After selecting one, you will be taken to another page where they will ask you to sign up so they can monitor your points and pay you. Let's log into my account now so I can show you what you'll see once you've signed up. So right here, you'll see all the suggested videos you can watch and make money from. Depending on the videos you watch, you can make as much as you want for this first site. So to get the best results, watch as many videos as possible. Now, moving on to the second site on our list is inboxdollars.com. This is a fairly well-known website. In fact, a large number of individuals use it to earn money by watching videos. The best part is you can earn $5 immediately just by signing up, which is just amazing. To cash out on this website, you will need to accumulate $10, which is very attainable. Moreover, since you already have a $5 sign-up bonus, you just need to earn the remaining $5 so that you can cash them out right away. As you can see here, you can earn points from watching videos, taking surveys, and by shopping and doing cash offers. However, we will only discuss getting paid from watching videos because this one pays the most. So let's have a look on how these website works. If you scroll down, you'll see here that businesses pay them for consumers' inputs who they recruit, just like you and me, who will then be doing online activities such as watching videos, taking surveys and so much more. And in return, we will earn cash and cash alone. You will learn more how to make money with this site as we continue to scroll down this page. And the website itself provides all the information. As you can see here, big brands companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content, like movie trailers or new product features. They pay the website and the site share a portion of those earnings with us. So it makes it apparent that you will receive a portion of their payment, and this is how you will earn money using this site. Now all you have to do is look for the purple sign up button at the bottom of the page, click on it, and you'll get a $5 sign up bonus right away. This is quite a reasonable technique to make a substantial amount of money online. And this platform has been in operation since 2000, demonstrating their legitimacy as a money-making website. As a result, this is a site you can trust to help you earn real money online. Moving on to the third app is picoworkers.com. This is a fantastic site to use if you're looking to make money online as a complete beginner. On this website, users are completing simple tasks. They may even offer you tasks that require you to watch movies on the internet. On the other hand, if you're searching for a fast profit, they can provide you with small projects which are also quite simple to do. As a result, you will earn decent money straight into your PayPal account. So if you want to make your first cash online, sign up with Pi Coworkers right now, which I'm confident you'll be able to manage on your own. So this website is called picoworkers.com, and it allows you to select basic assignments to complete. You can do so by doing simple tasks such as watching movies and the likes.